In the previous video, I have showed you how to set up always on display on Samsung Galaxy A16. Now I am going to show you how to customize always on display on Samsung Galaxy A16. Open the Movies app. For example, I have selected this one always on display. So I will simply tap on it. To customize it, I will tap on Edit. From here, you can see the different customization like clock style. Here is the clock style 1 and clock style 2. Now, if you go in clock size, here you get the clock size. You can simply increase it and decrease it. I am simply increasing it. Here you get the color 1. You can simply select the color 1 from here. For example, I am selecting this one. And here you get the color 2. You can select the color 2 from here like this one. And here you get the theme color. You can simply select the theme color from here. You can play around the setting and customize your always on display. If you want to add this customize always on display, then simply tap on apply. So this is how you can customize always on display on Samsung Galaxy A16. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.